I would like to ask Mrs. Tassew to come forward, and she will be addressed by Mr. Gwamza.
Beza, this is it. Your project, sample flow modeling for rapid performance and failure analysis, today comes to its end. And it was the project at Thermo Fisher where you were supposed not only to model the process of producing the metrology data inside the microscope, if it is not difficult enough, but you were supposed to model the process of cooperation of several microscopes in interaction with humans in such a way that we can reason about optimal process performance. So how we can maximize the throughput of producing metrology data, going from silicon to the data about quality of this silicon. And you did a very good job. Thank you for that. And since we conducted this project in an agile Scrum way of working, let me close this very last sprint with a short retrospective. At the start of your research, after a couple of weeks, you had initial picture what it is about. So first of all, the scope was broad, not fully defined. It turned out that the requirements were deviating from the initial description of your project, and I am to be blamed for it, I know. And more ideas were coming actually every day. It turned out that the data that you needed to create the models were scattered literally around the globe and were present mostly in the heads of my colleagues. So I remember at a certain moment you took a deep breath, maybe a few more where I didn't watch, and tell to me, I don't really know how to tackle this, but I will figure it out. And indeed, you figure it out. Step by step, you narrow the scope to the real essence, to model the things that are really important. You figure out how to come up with valuable simulation results, and also solid modeling methodology. Thank you for that, and congratulations. As a fact, we use this methodology in one of our projects as per today. And I have no doubt you will be very good software engineer, because you have everything to be able to navigate in our world, in a world of software engineering, where requirements are vague, scope very often undefined, stakeholders come every day with changing requirements, and there is not so much data to verify our designs until the systems are built. But you will figure it out, I'm sure. I wish you all the best in your journey.